Okay, we're at the fourth episode now. For the first time, we're now going to expand the team. We're going to go on Upwork to find people to actually build this product. If it's the first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are following a startup all the way from idea to product, and hopefully a product used by many, many people around the world. We will go through everything step by step and show you everything we do. That's not why you put the video on, for us to conclude he's not our guy. Don't say you can do everything, because it just feels like you can do nothing.
I don't want to pay a lot of money here, so I'm going to go less than 30 hours. Do you have a recommendation here, Heine? Not always a high success rate, but I do see full stack.
First, we built a post for Upwork. Then we put it live on Upwork and start looking for people that could be relevant for this. People that are in the right price range and have the right skills to build this product. This way, we'll get the ball rolling quickly.
Heine, we need your help.
Building a product completely from scratch.
Scalero is trying to build a SaaS tool to help companies build better emails.
It's going to make email creation easy.
There will be many challenges.
I would love your help, Heine.
I'm gonna do whatever it takes to help them.
Ball.
This is Raw Startup. We're on it here again with Will and Brant, and we're getting ready to put a bid on Upwork to find somebody to actually build this thing. So I'm excited to see what they put together. So here we go. Will, you want to go ahead and see what we got?
So we took our super MVP specs and really reduced it just to provide a high level for Upwork. And we wanted to focus on the comment and review on the email designs portal and make sure that the comment section in particular can be built out well. That's the key test here for these developers. Yep. So we did mention that we do have precise and detailed specs for them and that it's ready when it's time. And we wanted to focus to make sure this developer was a disciplined and strong communicator, because we do want to start a long-term relationship with them. So the test laid it out in 3 simple bullet points. 1 basic screen that needs to be built, and that users need to be able to leave comments on the uploaded designs. And we have a link to how that works for Dropbox. I want to create something similar to that. And also that we need to be able to upload designs that create a unique URL with the basic screen being built to save the trouble of usernames and passwords for the time being. We asked them for just a few questions on their background. Just some of their work history. What's the biggest application that they made by themselves? What is one that they admire? And then, as I just mentioned, what backend would they recommend using as well?
The one thing that I think is like the most technical part here is the ability to have this picture and then put a note comment on top of that picture. Kind of thinking we should either somehow maybe specify that more clear than it is already. I think maybe put 1 extra bullet in there, something like, hey, this includes, we put a comment on top of a picture or something like that. Again, I'm sure for most people that's not rocket science, but might as well put it out there. Perfect. I don't have anything else here. I think you said really well, Will, too, that the purpose here, it's actually 3 things. It is the skills of the person. So can he actually code this thing? And that's obviously very important. But it's also communication and discipline. And I just want to stress it's all those 3 things. You cannot have a person with the skills, doesn't have the communication and discipline skills. That's not going to work. We are on Upwork. We still got Will and Brand on the line here, and we are just going to do this live. So I think the first step here is to click post a job, right, Brand?
I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to post a job, definitely short-term work for now, but we'll make a mention that we are interested in long-term if this is working out, but I don't want to set different expectations.
Cool.
Okay, so we're going to do, we're going to start copying and pasting what we have here into this. I think this is not a good post title based on some examples that I see right here. So
maybe turn that around or something. Yeah.
Developer needed for web portal. Review on designs, email designs. What do you think about that, Heine?
That's fine. That's better.
Okay. Web design. But does this matter, Heine? What do you think?
Let's see more options there. I'm not sure if they're very specific on web design. It might just be design, literally, right?
Yeah.
We need someone who's like full stack developer.
Right.
And actually design is going to be less important in the first one.
Yeah, that just makes a kind of no-brainer right there, full stack.
Yeah. Cool. So full stack development for web. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, now I will copy and paste.
Let's do it.
Great.
That's it.
One-time project?
Yeah. Yeah, what is it actually? Yeah, it's a one-time. Yeah, for sure.
One time? Yep.
Yeah, you're not going to reuse this particular one.
I'm going to add a question, create my own.
Cool.
I'm going to do that a couple times here.
Yeah.
And I'll just copy and paste. Questions that we're using, we did not cover earlier, is one, what is the biggest web application that you made yourself?
Yeah.
What is a web application you admire? What backend would you recommend using? So require a cover letter. What was your experience with that, Heine?
I have not set that. No, I don't have to. I've never set that as a requirement.
Okay. What skills and expertise are most important to you? So website development.
For sure.
Probably like a web application. Right here.
HTML is definitely in there too.
Yeah.
It might, and CSS probably.
Yeah.
Just worried it triggers a lot of those kinds of people that only know that, but let's see.
Yeah. And we definitely want worldwide. We're looking
Sure.
for low rates here, which are not going to be found in the US.
No.
Who can see your job? I'm going to say anyone. And talent preferences, there's nothing specific where we're looking.
No, we've told them what we want.
Yeah. Okay, pay by the hour for sure versus fixed price.
Sure. Let's just talk a little bit about that. Why that is a clear choice.
Yeah.
It's about sort of having the sort of freedom to get it right and change things along the way. It's really hard for people you have to do really, really detailed specs, and you have to lock down on those specs if you want to have a fixed price. And it's really hard. And in my personal opinion, it very often fails to run a fixed price because you have to spec incredibly well.
Yeah.
Plus, in this case, right, we want to test two developers against each other, and if one of them just blows the other out of the water right away, we need to have that flexibility.
Yeah, for sure. That's right.
Great. Level of experience, we're looking low. Really, we want kind of an up and coming person. This is
I agree.
Key. We don't want anything big, high end.
No, mostly because the budget is low too. So that's just the way it is, right?
Yeah. And then for how long do you expect the project to last? I think, again, for the full MVP, probably pretty long, but just for this very specific thing, I think less than a month.
Yeah, for sure.
And then time requirement. Again, I don't want to pay a lot of money here, so I'm going to go less than 30 hours. Do you have a recommendation here, Heine?
You could just say I don't know. But anyway, I don't know is fine. Keep it open.
Cool. Reviewing, everything looks pretty good here.
And where's I think they didn't set actual price here. No. Okay, cool.
All right, now I'm going to post the job.
3, 2, 1, boom, done. Good stuff. The job has been posted. And rather than just waiting for people to bid for this project, we're going to go out and find some people. This is important because it gets the ball rolling quickly. It also ensures you find people in the right price range with the right skills for this project. It's a bootstrapped early stage startup, so we need people that come at a low cost. Let's have a look at what we find.
Search. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, then we need to set some filters. Yeah, exactly.
Great.
So because we're talking about price here anyway, you might as well put in either 10 and below is really aggressive, but maybe 10 to 30, see what comes up.
Yeah.
Because that's important. And then what else have we got? Anytime, that's fine. Web development for sure. If you want to, you could start even lower and do below 10, see if anything comes up that you like.
Sure.
They might bid higher anyway. So good. Now you can actually roll down and you'll actually start seeing them as far as I remember. Cool. Okay, we got some good ones here. 90%, success rate, if they've done something, is pretty important. You see the 90% there, that is pretty important. But if you want to find some people that are really talented, they might not have anything. But anyway, you can click on that guy, the first one, and just see what I probably do a new window. I like that, yeah. What is he saying?
My experience is in the development and maintenance of web pages. I can solve the problems that arise. I'm familiar with the installation of WordPress, the customization of e-commerce, project management.
Yeah, he's not our guy, is he?
What is it?
He's not. He doesn't look full stack, does he?
No, he doesn't. It sounds like he does a lot of front end type stuff.
Yeah. Next.
All right. Shoya has earned 5K. Not always a high success rate, but I do see full stack.
Yeah. Again, 6 years full stack. That's good.
Okay, same thing. WordPress, Magento,
PHP. Yeah. He feels like a guy that modifies things. He doesn't really build things.
Maybe I think I need to change from web development.
We need something more in there.
Just search application. Okay, this is a little better though, no?
Yeah, for sure.
Application developer. %, job success rate, earn over $900, $9 an hour.
React Native. He's done a lot of stuff.
Done a lot of stuff. SQL, React, PHP. He's got a video.
Look at this guy. It says startup MVPs. That can be bad. Holy shit. Wow.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, let's invite this guy, see what happens. You don't have to do anything. Boom, done.
Boom. Great.
Let's do a few of those.
I'm going to bump up the spend a little bit.
Feeling rich. 25K. I mean, he might be out of your range, though.
You think so?
I don't know. I don't know your budget.
You have experience.
Depends how fast he works.
Yeah, if you double speed, it's fine.
You have experience where the more affordable they are, the longer they take.
I've definitely seen that too. Yeah.
Yeah.
But again, it's about who do you find and what's their sort of career path, how far are they, and so on, right?
Right. Some agencies.
No. You'll have a project manager, all kinds of stuff to deal with there.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to Carlos.
Let's see, Carlos.
I'm a software developer and Excel expert with 9+ years of experience. I don't love the Excel thing. See what he's done. Excel.
If that's your finest hour, you're in trouble.
Yeah, that's his history there.
Yeah, Excel. A lot of data. Marta, experienced software engineer. I like that.
Translation.
Angular, Node, React, REST API development. This looks pretty solid, and I'll invite her as well.
Yeah, do it.
All right, I'm going to find just a few more here, and then. Okay, Pablo, Argentina, C++.
Web developer,
and web. He's worked on a Flask app. Came out $1,700.
Okay, you should take this guy.
Yeah. Looks good.
Definitely.
See lots of different code bases here.
Yep. Colombia.
$16 an hourly rate.
Is he more front end?
Yeah, that's a concern here, right? Okay, let's keep going.
Rising talent. What do you say there?
Let's take a look.
He's .NET though.
Let's give it a shot.
ASP and .NET and yeah. It's very so? Microsoft world.
Yeah. Okay. I'll invite him.
Yeah. Buenos Aires.
He looks good as well.
Yeah.
Marcus has got a video.
You got a video guy again. It's exciting. I guess he does video too.
Maybe you need him, Heine.
Yeah. This gives me a really clear idea of his skills, you know? As a full stack developer.
Interesting.
Okay. I guess he knows iMovie.
Interesting. Probably not our guy.
No. That's not why you put the video on, for us to conclude he's not our guy. Let's try him. Brazil. 25.
Kind of.
It gets a little bit light there, right?
Yeah.
Let's try it. He's got the React and all kinds of things, so.
Looks kind of front end of developer.
He looks heavy on front end, yeah.
Yeah, very much so.
I think, like, if we ever wanted to give some advice to these people, don't say you can do everything, because it just feels like you can do nothing.
Right.
Oracle, pretty hardcore stuff right there.
Yeah. Some more Windows type stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Like.
It's more sort of application. No,
What do you think? Yes? No?
No, I think no. I don't know. I don't like.
Bootstrap, PHP, Java.
Yeah, cool. Let's try it.
Public systems engineer. We got SQL, PHP, WordPress.
jQuery. It's all this. It's all those. There's PHP, and it looks front end, but anyway.
Yeah, it does look very front endy, doesn't it? Maybe.
Yeah, go take him.
In this case, it's a her, but we'll go.
It's her. Sorry. Yeah.
All right. Should we call it there?
Yeah. And that's it. We now have a lot of people bidding for this job. It's going to be very, very exciting to see what kind of people actually want to do this job and build this product. In the next episode, we'll look at all the people that have bid for this project. We're going to take it down to 2 people that are going to help us build this product. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe so you know exactly when the next episode lands.